Hi everyone, this is Dice and welcome back. Let's see actions in CrowdX. As you can see, this is the simulation we have from the previous video. And now we're gonna create another action, another tab here. And we're gonna make it, attraction. We're gonna attract the female group, to this DOP network, CrowdX, and the group will be Alex. I want to track the female group to Alex, as you can see, and let's show you the guide. I want to disable the previous one, and this is the guide. The red one is the target, you see. And now, as you can see, the female group is attracting towards these agents, the Alex agent. And as you can see, if I make it per point or per particle, it will go agent to agent instead of averaging the position of Alex group. And if I increase the strength of this traction, you can see what am I talking, you see it's going agent to agent. So let's bring it back and let's create another action. And for example, I want to do some transition for Tony, and Tony, it's the not the parent, it's the child. And let's make the guide is CrowdX, and the CrowdX. And if I show the guide, you see we need the female group. I want the female group approaching this Alex, and transition will happening, you see. Oops, I need to change the group I want to work with from Tony to Alex. That's my bad. So we're gonna work with Alex, and I wanna show you the trigger. You see we have only Alex trigger to ragdoll, but instead of ragdoll, I want to make it run. And you see, I wanna use this cherry run, but it's not going to work because it's not belong to Alex. So let's go to Alex and add another animation. And maybe let's add another one, and let's call it run. And let's load this pistol run for running. I want to demonstrate this thing. And if I rebuild the network, and now as you can see we have Alex run, but I want to initial clip in here as a fight idle. You see, let's create that, and let's make it walking. This is the fight idle, we rename it as a walking. And as you can see, we have this issue because the driver or the parent does not have the same clip. See, let me show you here. And you see the Alex, it's okay, but the parent, it's not, because it's assigning the Alex walking to all these two agents. So this is the problem, and we can fix that with creating our agents individually if you need it. And let me show you. You see this Alex walking assigned to this agent. Just I want to assign this walking to Alex only. So that's why we're updating our CrowdX constantly, and we added this group here. Now you see this group, and I want to assign this one to Alex only, you see. And now it's working, and you can change the weight and assign a threshold, and now it's working, as you can see. And let's add a look at, for example, let's create another state or another action, and let's create look at, and the target is crowd object. You see we have messy lookout, everyone looking for each other. And let's have the target as a female group. So we have the lookout, as you can see, but I need only I need this one, you see, because we have relationship. We will consider Alex and Tony as a one group. You see, if I have Alex only, it's not going to work because we have relationship. We can go with this group, Alex and Tony. This is generated by the relationship node, and as you can see, it's working now. You see, very cool. and it's looking. So in order to have a lookcat work properly, you need to set up this joint here, and we have this amazing autofill feeling that very cool for you, and we have this reset clip, and now everything is working, and this is very cool. And as you can see, it's looking at the feet of female group. We have offset option. As you can see, we can offset this lookcat. Very amazing, and it's working. You see before and after. Nice. And we have lookcat just like that, very easy. And now everything is working, and you see it's working now. Now I want to make Alex run when the female group reaching. So let's create another state. You see, it's very cool to layer this up, and let's make it transition, and let's go for Alex run, and yeah, this one. And let me see, first let me assign the guide, which is the crowd. And as you can see, let's visualize the trigger. You see it's already trigger, and as you can see, it's not going to work even with per point. You see it's not working. See why we have that? We need, let me disable these guides, and I want to have that only. And as you can see, now we can specify the group as a female group because that's the guide. And yeah, you see it's not working. You see, we need to set this group we want to work with. You see, we want to work with Alex. We're going to translate Alex, and now it's working. You see, this is the concept you can control. And if I play, you see Alex will go and run from the female group. You see, and this is very cool. It's logical stuff, and it's very cool to have that. You see, we have something like that. But I want to make the female group disable the attract when Alex run, because when coward run, the brave one, it's not going to chase it. So let's create another one for female group. Sorry, not like that. I wanna disable this attraction. You see, now we're gonna talk about logical stuff. So stop this action when state number 5 trigger. You see, the 5 is the run transition. So I want to stop this state when state number 5 triggers. Very easy and very convenient. You see, stop that, and you can start this if you want. And you see, if I play, pay attention, just pay attention. So Alex running, but when the trigger is off because of distance, the attraction, it's going back. You see, that's the problem. So we have amazing option called stable trigger. You see, we can go on Alex transition, and we're gonna make it stable. If the trigger goes to 1 or blue one, it will stay as a blue one. So if stay as a blue one, the female group will disable the attraction. You see, Alex will remaining blue, and the attraction will not happening. You see, if the female group is running in the space. You see, this is amazing, and you can have multiple action like that. So with that, so if you're interested, the link in the description, you can get your CrowdX, and you can subscribe to champion tier to have that for testing. And see you on the next one.